Hello everyone, I am Sonali Pradhan, class teacher of KG1E. How are you all? Hope you all are good and healthy at your place. So, today we are going to write numbers from 1 to 30. Before starting the numbers, we will identify them, but you have to repeat them with me, okay? Come on, let's start. Let's start with number 1. Repeat after me. Number 1. Okay. Now next number is number 2. Number 2. Then comes number 3. The number is 3. Repeat after me a little louder. Then 4. 4. Then comes number 5. Number 5. Then number 6. 6. Then 7. Repeat after me. Number 7. Keep going. Then comes number 8. Number 8. Then number 9. Repeat after me. Number 9. Then comes 1, 0, 10. Repeat after me. 1, 0, 10. Next number is 1 and 1, 11. The next number is 1 and 1, 11. Now comes 1, 2, 12. 1 and 2, 12. The next number is 1 and 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Just check the sound also. Then comes 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 4, 14. Then the next number is 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 5, 15. Then comes, repeat after me, 1, 6, 16. 1 and 6, 16. Then comes number 17. 1 and 7, 17. Repeat after me. Check the sound also. 17. Okay. The next number is 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 8, 18. Repeat a little louder. Come on. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. The next number is 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Okay. Now the next number is 2 and 1, 21. 2 and 1, 21. Keep going. Repeat after me. The next number is 2 and 2, 22. 2 and 2, 22. Next comes 2 and 3, 23. 2 and 3, 23. The next number is 2 and 4, 24. The next number is 2 and 4, 24. Then comes 2, 5, 25. 2, 5, 25. Then 2, 6, 26. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. Then 2, 8, 28. Then 2, 9, 29. Repeat after me. Repeat a little louder. Then 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30. So, now take out your maths notebook we are going to write 1 to 30 numbers in our notebook. Okay? Come on. Now, have you opened your copy? Write after me. Come on. In the margin line, this is your margin line. On the top left hand side, write today's date. Come on. Write 22.6.20. I repeat, you have to write 22.6.20. Come on. In the first line, that is the margin line, the first box near here, under this date, write Q1. Write question number 1. Have you written? Come on. Now you have to write in the first line. Do not skip any box, anything. Otherwise, you will not get the space to write the last number. So, write from the first box. Write with me W R I T E. Write, then 1, give 1 dash, 30. We have to write the numbers from 1 to 30. Okay? Come on. Now, the first box, I told you, you have to skip this box, that is the tens place. We will start from the second box. So, we will put a dot here. Come on, put a dot or leave this box. Write number 1. Okay? Have you written number 1? Come on. After that, again put 1 dot. That is, we are skipping this box. Then write number 2. Have you written number 2? Then again put 1 dot. Write number 3. Yes. Have you written number 3? Again we have to skip the box. That is, you put 1 dot here. Then write number 4. Write number 4. Again put 1 dot. That is, skip this box. Write number 5. Very good. Keep going. Have you written number 5? Then again skip this box. Put 1 dot. Write number 6. Very good. Keep going. Then again skip this box, that is put a dot. Write number 7. I repeat, write number 7. Again skip this box. You can put a dot also. Okay. Then write number 8. Then again put 1 dot. Write number 9. Very good. Then again skip the box, put 1 dot. Then write 1010. But remember, you have to write 1 in tens place. Okay. This is your units place. You have to write 0 here and 1 here. That's why we skip this whole line. Okay. Come on. Have you written number 10? Okay. Check you have written number 10 properly. 1 in this box and 0 in this box. Okay. Now again, come on. After number 1, you have to skip the whole line. That is, you can again put a dot here, so that you will remember that you have to skip the whole line. Okay. Then near the dot, write 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Just check. I have written 1 here and the next one here. Do not write 1, 1, 11 in one box. Write 1 here and 1 here. This is our units place. This is our tens place. 1 and 1, 11. Then again put 2 dots. Write 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Again skip 2 box, write 1, 3, 13. 1 and 3, 13. Again skip 2 box, we will put the dots, write 1, 4, 14. Just check the sound also, 14. Next, again skip 2 boxes, we are putting 2 dots, then write 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Again put 2 dots, that is we are skipping 2 boxes, then write 1, 6, 16. Again put 2 dots, write 1, 7, 17. Again put 2 dots, that is skip the boxes and write 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Repeat after me. Come on. Now again put 2 dots, write 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. Next 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Now what will come after 2, 0, 20? 2, 1, 21. So we will write here. Again we have to leave the whole line. So we will again put 1 dot so that you will remember you have to skip the whole line. Okay. Come on. Now after that 2, 0, 20, write 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. Check where I have written 2, 1. This is your units place, this is your tens place. 2, 1, 21. Then again we have to leave 2 boxes, put 2 dots, write 2, 2, 22. Yes children, if you don't want to put the dots, it's okay. You can skip the boxes. Okay, and you are not necessary to put the dots. You can leave the boxes as it is. Then again put 2 dots. That is up to you. You have to then write 2, 3, 23. If you want to put the dots, it's okay. If you don't want to put the dots, it's also okay. Okay. Then 2, 3, 23. What will come after 2, 3? 2 and 4, 24. Come on, put 2 dots, then write 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. Repeat after me. Come on, again put 2 dots, write 2, 5, 25. 2, 5, 25. Again put 2 dots, write 2, 6, 26. 2, 6, 26. Again put 2 dots, 2, 7, 27. Repeat after me. 2, 7, 27. Again put 2 dots, write 2, 8, 28. Then again put 2 dots, write 2, 9, 29. Again put 2 dots, write 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30. Okay. Now we have completed question number 1 of maths, that is write numbers from 1 to 30. You have to write in this way 1, 0, 10. Remember to write 0 in units place and 1 in tens place. Hope girls you understood to write 1 to 30 in this manner. Now you have to write 1 to 30 2 times. Keep revising. Thank you.